Hey there, this is Simran from Simran IELTS Academy. I hope you are doing great. So today I'm going to shoot an interview with a candidate जिन्हों ने IELTS examination ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ appear ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੇ हैं and he has got 7 band score in speaking module. So today I'm shooting the video to present for you all the sample answer कि ਉਹ speaking ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਬੋਲ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਸੀ that he got 7 band score. So let's begin. This is IELTS speaking interview. The candidate name is Gurpreet Singh with candidate number 07AU73. The examiner name is Simran Kaur with examiner number 07479. Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Simran Kaur. I'm your speaking examiner. So, in the part 1 of the interview, I would like to ask you some general questions. May I know where do you come from?
I come from a small town which name is Kalkaga. It's a very beautiful town and the facility within my hometown is very good.
Is it a big place or a small city?
It is a big place and there are different types of facility within my hometown like medicals and there are also playground for playing for children which is very good.
How long have you been living there?
Since from my childhood I am living there and with my parents.
Do you like living there?
Yes, definitely I like to live in there but in future I want to move abroad for my further studies.
Alright, so let's talk about shoes. Do you like to buy shoes?
Yes, definitely I love buying shoes. I always buy shoes online because the facility available online shoes is very good and there are different types of shoes we can buy like casual, sports, etc.
How often do you purchase shoes?
I always purchase shoes after a month and there are different types of branded shoes like Adidas and Nike etc. available.
Okay. How much you spend on purchasing shoes?
I always try to buy branded shoes, so I always spend between 5,000 to 10,000.
Do you like to buy fashionable shoes or comfortable shoes?
So I always travel from one place to another, so I always like to buy casual shoes.
Alright. So let's talk about colors. What is your favorite color?
There are different types of color available in this world, but my favorite one is red because it's a sign of love and it's enhanced my personality when I wear it.
Do you like to wear dark colors or bright colors?
I always like to wear bright color because it enhances my personality.
Are there any colors in your country which have great significance?
Yes, there are 3 colors which having great significance. The colors are green, white and orange because it's our national flag color.
Alright. So, which of the color you do not like?
Mostly I doesn't like brown and black color because it's very dull and it is very dark.
Alright. So let's talk about mobile phones. Do you use a mobile phone?
Yes, definitely. I always use mobile phone because it's very good and it also helps to communicate with one person to another from one place to another place.
Alright. So which mobile phone do you use at present?
I am using an branded phone which name is called iPhone. It is iPhone 12 Pro.
Alright. So what kind of apps do you use in your mobile phone?
I always use Snapchat, social media apps and which is Instagram, WhatsApp which helps to me communicate and also share the important things which I need in our daily life.
Okay. Which was the first app that you used for the first time?
The first app was suggested by my sister which name is called Snapchat because in that we can make a streak and we can share our daily basis work.
Alright. Do you like animals?
Yes, definitely. I love animals because they are very humble and good and I always I having a dog at home.
Okay. Which is your favorite wild animal?
My favorite wild animal is Bengal tiger because it's our national animal.
Alright, so that's the end of part 1 of your speaking interview. In the part 2 of the speaking interview, I will provide you with one topic. You will have 1 minute to prepare for that topic. So I would like you to speak on a cafe that you like to visit. Here is paper and pen you may use if you want to, and your time starts now. All right. So remember, now you have 1 to 2 minutes to speak on the topic. Don't worry if I stop you in between. So can you speak now?
Yes, ma'am.
Please start.
So today I'm going to tell you about my favorite cafe which I like to most visit. My favorite one cafe is situated in Patiala. I always like to travel with my friends. So last month with my friends I decided to go to my favorite cafe, and in my village we took a bus from Kagga, and after that traveling 3-4 hours we went to Patiala because it is very far from my village, and it is about 70 kilometer, and when we went there we took a rickshaw and then went to the which one was my favorite cafe, which name is called Mocha, and it's a very beautiful hotel, and the entrance of the hotel is very good. The facility available are very good, and also they also follow the COVID instructions. They give us sanitizer and also said us to wear a mask, and after that I having no mask, and I purchased a mask from nearby shop of a doctor, and after that when we went there and they allowed us to enter in the cafe, and there are different types of things available in cafe like mirrors, but I mostly like to sit in the corner because the corner one of that cafe is there is a sofa which is very good, and there are also different types of mirrors which reflect our personality, from which you can see your own, and there are also many types of facility related to drinking purposes like alcohol etc available in that hotel, and I always like to drink their coffee, which name is called cold coffee. It is very tasty, and I always prefer to eat their omelette to my friends, and on that day we ate different types of
Alright.
things.
So as we were talking about a cafe, I would like you to know what kind of people do you usually visit to a cafe?
Mostly the people living far from home and they do not have time to make a cup of coffee, they always go to cafe.
Okay. Do you think that young people often visit to a cafe?
Yes, definitely young people often visit to a cafe because they are working on their jobs and they are doing job from 24 hours. They need a rest or something which gives them energy, so they always visit to a cafe to drink coffee.
What is your opinion on youngsters studying in the cafe?
um, uh, I think so that it is due to the atmosphere. The atmosphere available at home was very bad because there are some disturbance creating by own parents and there is work going on their home. So the atmosphere of cafe is very calm and they always study there.
What kind of services are provided by a cafe owner?
There are different types of services like there are different types of services like food etc given by owner of a cafe. They also give us discount, different types of discount like if you visit our cafe on 100 times etc.
Do Indian people drink a lot of coffee?
uh, yes, Indian people drink a lot of coffee because now the teenagers are following Western culture. They always like to drink coffee because of their culture.
Do you think is it good to drink a cup of coffee?
Yes, it is for youngster it is good to drink a cup of coffee, but because it gives them energy, but it is not good for old people because it contains caffeine and it can be bad for their sleeping health.
All right, so that's the end of your part 3. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, according to the candidate speaking, candidate has done some grammatical errors, definitely. Candidate ने काफ़ी सारे grammatical errors किए ने, but grammatical range was quite good and usage of vocabulary was also quite good. Accent बहुत clearly understood हो रहा सीगा, as well as pronunciation काफ़ी अच्छी सी, and because of that I think the examiner got 7 band score in final examination of speaking interview. So I'm posting the result of the examiner for the confirmation. So अगर ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ videos ਅੱਛੀਆਂ ਲੱਗੀਆਂ ਤਾਂ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਹੀ ਹੋਰ videos ਦੇਖਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified about my videos. Thank you. All the best.